So, here is Sadhna. So, Nihan, have you seen this girl before? No? I'm sure you would have. Anyways, that's fine. That's okay. So now, here is Same. Everybody has settled down. Everybody has settled down. Promise me one thing. Next 55 minutes is only mine. Okay? Nobody will do anything apart from being in the class. No seeing on the road, no playing with anything, no fighting with each other. Okay? Alright. Yaditi, you had a question?
I was playing Dr. Wolf chess on my iPad until the class started.
Yeah, so before the class is perfectly fine. After the class, not acceptable. Okay? So that I can get everybody's attention and whatever we learn, that stays with us. Alright? So we have a new friend in the class, Nihan. So let's welcome him to the class. And then what we wanted to do was, you stay still, no playing. So what we wanted to do today was, so on Saturdays we talk about the tables and then we pick a topic. Since this is first class for Nihan, I'm giving him a chance to say, tell me Nihan, which topic you want to start with. Tell me one topic that you think you would want to learn in the class today. And we all will learn it together.
Multiplication.
Multiplication, okay. I will probably part multiplication till next Saturday. Why? Because on every Saturday we practice tables, okay? And for multiplication, the most important thing is table, okay? So tell me one thing, how many tables do you know, Nihan?
Until 12.
Until 12. Can we do a quick check?
Maybe next week.
Okay. No, so when I say quick check, because I wanted to quickly check and see if we want to spend some time every day. I mean, so the deal with the table is we spend only 5 minutes every day, okay? That is more than enough to know the tables. I had memorized tables probably 35, 40 years ago, okay? And I still remember them. And whenever I forget them, I will just go through it once. You, no. Sit quiet, sit firm and with full focus, okay? So, I just wanted to see again, in this class, if you make mistakes, I get happy, okay? When you guys make mistake, that's an opportunity for me to teach you guys something, okay? So, if you make mistake, feel proud of it. Because that's an opportunity for us to learn. So, let's quickly check. If you say till 12, let me check till 8 itself. 8 times there. I'll tell you why I'm asking this. 8 times Aish. Nihan. Unmute yourself. Unmute. Yeah.
8 times what?
8 times 9.
8 times 9 is 72.
6 8 there.
48.
9 9 there.
81.
12 4 there. 48.
48, yeah.
Yeah. So now I'll tell you why I was asking this question, why I was even asking you to tell the answers, right? Because I can see that you are actually right with the answers. But in this class, we are trying to add answers and speed together. Okay? Meaning, and that will come with practice. So this is an assignment for you. Since you said that you are good with table till 12, what I would request you is, every day after the class, you spend 5 minutes with yourself of your unproductive time and kind of memorize the tables. And once you memorize the tables, catch hold of somebody in the family and say, okay, fine, I have memorized table till 12, ask me some questions and let's see if I'm going wrong. Do it like a sport, okay? Because math is a subject that you have to do with a lot of fun. And if you don't, that means you are missing the fun, okay? So this is an assignment for you, beta, okay? Make sure that before next Saturday is when we'll do the test of tables. I know you know the tables for sure. I would want you to practice it, play with it, so that on next Saturday we'll see how much we have picked up and what more we want to do, okay? 12 is enough for your grade, okay? If you are solid with table till 12, you can do magic with maths, okay? Alright, So multiplication I am not picking up now. Any other topic? Anybody else? Anybody else? Or else I will pick up a topic. Okay? Yes, let's see what Salini wants to learn.
I want to learn about. I forgot its name.
What is that?
I kind of forgot its name.
Okay, let's see who remembers. Yug.
Can we learn about like tic-tac-toe thingy?
Huh?
The tic-tac-toe map?
Tic-tac-toe thing, okay?
Yeah, those.
Tic-tac-toe. So that's another game we do in the class, okay? That is one. Yeah. Yeah, Niti, you tell me. I'll come to you next.
Decimals.
Decimals, okay? Decimal is another option. Shalini, do you remember now?
No, I remember. It's polygons.
Polygons, okay? Okay, Shanvi, what do you want to learn?
Deep simplification.
Simplification. So I got 2 votes for simplification, okay? So Shanvi said simplification, somebody said tic-tac-toe. Okay, what do you want to learn?
The power of 10.
Power of 10 we learned in the last class, yesterday. So I would want you guys to watch the video of yesterday's class and then come back to me and see if there's something remaining. You have to stop playing better, for sure. Okay? No discount on that. Pay attention. Be fully attentive, okay? And just a news for you guys. Whoever is in the classroom, you guys will get goodies from next month in every class. I will pick one child in every class who is doing good and he or she will get a goodie, okay? But then, learning is something that we cannot compromise on, okay? Alright, so today, Ishan, you want to say something?
I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen? Can you see me?
No, I can't.
You can't see my screen, you can't see me also? Then you have to drop off and join back again. That's the only option.
Okay.
Aditi, you have a question?
I saw an AI.
Yeah, so see the AI. If I put 2 fingers here, then you'll see balloon. Now I have found it out. Okay? Alright. So let's forget about the AI. Let's do something called tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe. And who all has played tic-tac-toe? Tell me. Everybody has played. Nisha, Nihan, you have played tic-tac-toe as well?
I kind of forgot.
You forgot. So I will make sure that I make you guys practice tic-tac-toe in this class. Hands down. So, some backache, some problem? No, right? Sit straight then. Okay, tic-tac-toe, when you see, this is a game that we play, right? Something like this. Yeah? And then there'll be 2 friends, one will make circles here.
I have the circle.
Yeah? And I will say, okay, I will not let that person make 3 circles together, so I'll put a cross here. Okay, then my friend says, okay, I'll put a circle here. I know this guy is going to make another one here, I will put a cross here. Now this guy knows, okay, I'm going to make a straight line here, so he will put a circle here. Yeah? So that is how we play, right? It's like we cross each other. We try to break each other's line. That is exactly
I'm
what...
trying to stop them from making it to be in a row.
Yes. So basically, the tic-tac-toe that I talk about here, I have given it a name, a tic-tac-toe, because we do crossing, but then we do little different stuff. And we use that for simplifying. Salini, you're saying something? No. If you're not saying something, put your hands down so that I can continue. Okay. So, we use tic-tac-toe for simplifying things. A class example. Nate, focus on the board. I'm looking very handsome today, okay? Look at me and look at the board. Okay? So, guys, don't take my joke seriously, okay? I'm just trying to get everybody's attention here. Alright. If I have 16 by 32 versus 1 by 2. Which one you guys like? Yep, which one?
60 by 32.
That is why you need to learn. Yep, Yanihan, which one do you like?
1 by 2.
Yes.
The half.
Yes. Same thing for you also. See, we like simple things in life. Okay? If I put a big mustache here, big beard here, my hair is clumsy, you'll not like it. It looks very complicated. You like simple things. If I'm well dressed, small hair, I look like a normal human being, right? That is what you all like. So same way here also. If you look at big number. Now let's say if I ask you guys, who all knows the table of 1? Everybody. Who all knows the table of 2? Everybody. Who knows the table of 32? No, right? So that is why you don't want to deal with things that you don't know. You want to make difficult things easy, and that is math all about. Math makes our life easier. Ishan, don't play with the screen. So math is meant for making things easier, simpler. Okay? You'll not make any sound. No tic-tac-toe with the tongue. Okay? Okay, don't do that. Now, coming back to this point. So if I have these two numbers, everybody is agreeing to the point that we have to, this one we like. This is our favorite. And how do we get to that? That is where tic-tac-toe helps. That is nothing but simplification of things. And the most important thing that we need to be aware of, that is called factorization. How do we factorize things? How do we break things? Yeah? If I have a 4, how can I break? Ishan, don't play with the screen. If I have 4, how many different ways I can write it? I can write this as 1 into 4. I can write this as 2 into 2. Yeah? These are called factors of 1. We have broken it down. Are you sleepy? Pay attention. These are called factors of 4. These are pieces of 4. We can break it down into 2 multiples. These are called factors. And this process of breaking it down to smaller numbers is called factorization. Yes, Yanvi?
So does factorization means like breaking down the factors?
Yes. Breaking it down into factors. Breaking it down to smaller numbers which can be multiplied together to give you the number. Now, this is where table is always going to come to your rescue or our rescue. If I have a 16, same way, I can write this as 1 into 16, 2 into 8, 4 into 4. If I have a 15, I can write this as 1 into 15 or
3 into 5.
3 into 5.
15.
Yep. Or 15 into 1, same thing, right? You are just reversing it. Yep. That's not a new number. If I have a 32, how many ways I can write it? 1 into 32. I picked up my choice. What else?
16 times 2. 8.
16 times 2 is another one, okay? What is the other one?
8 times 2.
8 times 2,
8
no.
times 4.
8 times 4. Yes. 8 times 4. What else? That's it? I think, yeah. 8 times 4, yeah. That's it. So these are factors. So when you break a bigger number to smaller numbers, that process is called factorization. Okay? When I say factorization, right? Break it in a way that these are multiples. So when these two numbers multiply, it will give you this. So you will not say 16 equals 14 plus 2. So this is factor. No, this is not factorization. Okay? Only 4 into 4 is factorization. 8 into 2 is factorization. But this is not factorization. This is just splitting them into 2 parts. That's it. Yeah?
Is it just addition?
No, it's only multiplication. It's only multiplication.
So only multiplication is like factorization?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, this is what we will use for playing tic-tac-toe. Now, if I say 25 into 16 divided by 18 into 32. Okay, or let's say 15 into 32. Now here, if you guys have to multiply this by this and multiply this by this, that will give you a much bigger number. And trust me, nobody enjoys dealing with it. This is where, what happened? Nihan, I only can see your big fat thumb. Alright, so if I have something like this, what we have to do is, we have to use factorization that we have learned. Everybody is showing me big thumb on the screen. Don't do that. Okay, so here, what you do is, you don't like big numbers. Break it into smaller number. 25 you can write as 5 into 5. And whatever you have, that you keep it as is. 16 you can, you can write this as 4 into 4 or 8 into 2. Let's write 4 into 4 for now. 15 again, I can write this as 5 into 3. I factorize this. 32, I can write this as 8 times 4. 8 times 4. Now if you see, earlier you had bigger numbers, you have just factorized them into smaller numbers. Okay? Now here, no, don't do that, Sandy. Okay, here, when you see, you have much smaller numbers to deal with. What you can do, this is where you do tic-tac-toe. Whatever you have here versus whatever you have here on the ground floor. No, listen. Yeah. So here you have a 5, this 5 and this 5 you can do tic-tac-toe. What else you can do tic-tac-toe?
4 and 4.
So this 4 and this 4 also you can do tic-tac-toe. Now if you see, this 5 and this 4 went, this 5 and this 4 also gone. What you are left with is 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 8. Now you see that, okay, 8 comes in the table of 4, so you can further split it, further break it. Let's break it further. 5 into 4 and here 3 remains 3. 8 I can write as 4 into 2. I can do tic-tac-toe one more time. Yep. Now you look at this. This became 5 divided by 3 into 2. That is 5 by 6. Look at this number and look at this monster.
Monster. Monster.
Does it not look like a monster? And this is like a cute baby? Yeah? So this is called simplification. Kill the monster. Let's look at this. I killed the monster already. Now you have a baby. So see the Diti.
Did you say monster or you did not say monster?
I did say monster. I said that look at this monster. You have so many big numbers. Big numbers, scary numbers, right? Nobody likes. If I ask you to do the table of 32, it will not be fun. Right? So what we did was, this big monster we converted into this small cute baby, right?
Yes.
That is called simplification. Okay, everybody calm down. So this is the process called simplification. You are simplifying a big number into a very small number. The value of this and the value of this are the same. Just that here you have to deal with much bigger complicated calculation. It's a much easier calculation. Okay. So this process, which I call as tic-tac-toe, it is not an official term. I call it tic-tac-toe, only for you guys. But then this involves factorization and simplification. Okay? Yeah. So now let's do some simplification. Everybody has to do it. You guys cannot have fun and only me solving problems, okay? Everybody has to do some. So let's do few sums, okay? Real quick. If I give you guys 16 into 21 divided by 14 into 48. This is one problem. And second problem is 22 into 81 divided by 63 into 44. So there are two sums that I want you guys to solve and simplify. First one is 16 into 21 divided by 14 into 48.
Sir,
Yep.
I can't see the first number in the first denominator in the second sum.
I'm just reading it for you, okay? So 16 into 21 divided by 14 into 48. Okay? Second one is 22 into 81 divided by 63 into 44. Yeah, Ishan.
I don't have pen or paper.
Are you on the road? Are you at home?
Road.
Get a pen paper quickly. You are pretty much on the road. So I'll give you a. Yep. What do you?
How do you divide 14? It doesn't come in any table.
14?
You can just do 1 times 14, easy.
No. All that easy will see. I will see on the paper actually.
Okay, 2 times, yeah, like that.
Let's do it.
7.
Do it. Well, unless you do it, you will not know. I don't know the answer any which way. Yeah, Nihan. You are talking on mute. I cannot hear you better.
The light is too bright. Cannot see the second question.
I'm reading it for you. Just. It is 22 multiplied by 81 divided by 63 multiplied by 44. Use that marker and do the sum. If you have got the answer, Salini, already, I would still want you to review it, okay? Because sometimes what happens is, while doing calculation, we make a mistake. So I would suggest you review your answer, okay? So, see, once you have finished it, okay, and others are doing it still, use that time to revise. So that if you have gone wrong, you can correct it. Yes, Yanvi.
What? Can you say that once again? Like
The first question is 16. Yeah, 16 into 21 divided by 14 into 48.
Okay.
Second one is 22 into 81 divided by 63 into 44.
Okay.
Yeah, Ishan. You're talking on mute, I cannot hear you.
Do I talk in chat or do I tell you my answer?
You do it on a piece of paper first, then I will tell you.
I did on a piece of paper just now.
Okay, how much is the answer?
I got 1 by 2.
For you have solved both?
No, just for the first one.
Okay, do the second one also.
Sir, I got an answer for both of them.
Okay, how much is that?
So for the first one, I got 1 by 2. And for the second one, I got 18 by 28.
18 by 28. Okay, and you guys will not like me for this, but you know what? I don't trust anybody. No, so when I say I don't trust anybody, meaning I don't trust anybody when it comes to math. Meaning, once you guys tell me the answer, I will also do it here to make sure that this answer is whom to believe, okay? Okay, yeah, Aditi.
I got the same answer as Sammy.
1 by 2, 18 by 28?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good, but I don't trust you as well. Yeah, Jaganya.
For the first one, I got 1 by 2, and the second one, I got 9 by 14.
9 by 15. Okay,
14.
9 by 14. Okay, that is another answer. Okay. And this is a time for everybody. If you have already got the answer, you might want to validate whether your answer is right or somebody else's answer is right. So you can review it while others are doing it. Yes, Anvi.
Okay. For the first one, I got 25 by 24.
25 by 24. Okay. How about the second one? Yeah. What is it? Yeah. Yes. Sorry. Go ahead.
I feel like the second one, I'm not sure about it, but I think the second one is like, can I check it once?
Yes, please. And again, a request to each one of you. Okay. There is nothing called feel like in math. You do it and you get the answer, be it right or wrong. There is no feeling involved, okay? So, always do it. Even if you have done it wrong, that is your answer, okay? Because you have solved it in a certain way. Yeah, Ishan, what is your answer? Second one. You're talking on mute, I cannot hear you.
I also got 9 by 14.
9 by 14, okay? So, there are 2 votes for 9 by 14 and 2 votes for this one, okay? Let's see. How about you, Tashvik?
For the first one, it's 2 by 4.
2
So
by
it's
4.
So it's like the 1/2 answer.
So you still got 1/2. That is the answer. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Fine.
And for the second one, it's 9 by 14.
9 by 14. Okay. I got 3 votes now. Okay. Yaditi, you're saying something? Okay. Ishan, you can put your hands down now. Zalni, yep.
Mine is like I got 1 by 2 and I got the same as 9 by 14.
9 by 14. So 9 by 14 got 1 more vote. So 9 by 14 is going to win the election this time, it seems like. Okay. How about you, Nihit?
9 by 14.
Okay. Yeah, Nihan.
So for the first one, I got half, and the second one, I got 9 by 14.
9 by 14. Okay, he's got 1 more vote, so the chance of winning the election is more. Okay, let's see. Nate, how much you got?
9 by 14.
9 by 14. So he's got 1 more vote. Let me see what Nate did. Somi, how did you get 9 by 14?
Sir?
What did you do? No, that is not fun. Yeah, better.
What?
No, you have to finish that. Yeah.
Isn't 18 by 28 and 9 by 14 the same thing? They're just simplified.
You know the answer. So yeah, that's what we are trying to do. So I will not say anybody what is right, what is wrong, because as I said, I have not done it myself, so I have no right to say who is right, who is wrong, right? So I have not validated that. But yeah, if you ask me, is 18 by 28, 9 by 14 same? Yes, it is the same. This is part of our tic-tac-toe exercise. Yeah? Exercise. Push-ups. Yeah. Alright. Yes, Yanvi.
I got 9 by 14 too.
9 by 14.
I have it as the second one, but the first one, 7 by 6.
7 by 6. So, I want to see, how did you get 7 by 6? Show me.
I did the tic-tac-toe twice.
No, so what was the question here? 16, 21, so this up to this much is fine. 14. 14 is not 2 times, this is 7, right? This is 7 or 8?
That's 8.
So how come 14 is 2 times 8? 2 times 8 is 16. So it has to be 2 times 7. Okay? Now 48. 48 is what? You would not know this one. So this is 8 6 are 48 or 6 8 are 48. Now you can do tic-tac-toe and see. Because see, the mistake that you did here was, instead of for 14 you wrote 2 times 8. That is where it started going down. Okay? And this one you have not written, so that's why. So, okay. Now, I think it's time for the teacher to do some work, right? I cannot be just bothering you guys and giving you questions without solving it myself, right? Nate?
What's this say, sir? 2 times
8. 2 times 8.
Oh, this 2 times 8?
No, 2 times 7.
Okay, that's
Yep, Yaditi.
I saw 2 people playing emojis.
Playing what? Emojis? What to do? See, this is all AI. If I put my two fingers here, you see balloons. There's nothing I can do here about it. Yeah.
Can you put those down?
Okay. Let's not play. Okay. Let's come back to maths. Okay. All right. So, as I say that I don't trust any of you, this is the message that I'm giving you guys. Saying don't trust anybody, even if it's your best friend saying this is the answer, don't trust. Do it yourself. That's the message, okay? I would never ever say that I don't trust my kids, okay? I trust all of you, each one of you. I have full faith that you guys will do awesome when you guys grow up. But then, when it comes to math, don't trust anybody. Do it yourself. So that's what we'll do now. So I got different answers from different people. Most of you were right, but let's see. If I said most of you were right, is there any water to it? Yeah. 16, now, okay, now I want you guys, I know you guys all know what the answer is and how to solve it also. I would want you guys to concentrate on how am I solving this problem now, okay? Look at what I'm doing. 16 into 21 divided by, what was it? 14 into 48. This was the question, right? Now look at what I'm doing and step by step, okay? I'm telling a story to you guys. I have this. That means 16 is 2 times 8. Okay. 21 is 7 times 3. I did not miss the cross sign. If I want to be extra careful, I will put it in bracket also. So that way it doesn't confuse anybody. Now 14. I can write this as 2 times 7. I'm putting this in a bracket so that doesn't confuse anybody. 48 I can write as 6 into 8. Now since I have got everything and there's nothing new to be done, I will just take out the bracket. 2 times 8 and 7 times 3. Now I'm very clear what exactly it is. 2 times 7 and 6 times 8. Nate and you, I would want you guys to look at each and every word that I write here on the screen. Because otherwise, if you go wrong, you would not know where you're going wrong. Now, from here, I have come all the way here without any assumption, without any guesswork. Now, I see that, okay, everything is clear for me. This 2 and this 2, I can do tic-tac-toe, gone. This 7 and this 7, I can do tic-tac-toe, gone. This 8 and this 8 I can do tic-tac-toe, it is gone. What I got? 3 by 6. I can write 3 as 3 into 1 and 6 as 3 into 2. I can do tic-tac-toe one more time. That becomes 1 by 2. If everybody has got 1 by 2 and I also got 1 by 2, that means we are all right. And other thing here is, you don't have to worry about whether your breakdown is correct or not. See, 48 you can write as 12 times 4, you can write as 8 times 6, or you can write this 24 times 2 also. So if whether you're writing 6 times 8 or 24 times 2, you don't have to worry about it. Whatever you want to write, write. And then if you are not done, right? Like we got 3 by 6 and we could do next step, we can do tic-tac-toe one more time. So whatever breakdown you do, whichever factor you pick, that is perfectly fine. If you're not complete, you will get another chance. And you can do that the second time. Yeah, yes, Andy. So everybody, yeah.
So how you got? So wait, wait 1 second.
Are you clear, Nihit?
Yes.
Will you do it right next time? 100%?
But it's how you do it.
I can barely see a screen. Maybe it's way too far. But what I would suggest, Shalvi, is whenever you are solving something and you are not clear about it, you can take a picture of that and send to me on WhatsApp, okay? Ask Daddy to send to me on WhatsApp and I can check and let you know where you might have gone wrong, okay? But look at this. When you are doing maths, okay? People say do mind math. I say don't. Because when you do mind math, you skip steps and then you would not know how to review it. So see, look at how extra effort I am putting here. I am writing this like a story. I have this number. I am putting 16 as 2 into 8 in the bracket, 21 as 7 into 3 in the bracket, 14 as 2 into 7 in the bracket, 48 as 6 into 8 in the bracket. And then I am saying, okay, fine. Now I know what exactly it is. I am taking the bracket out and then doing tic-tac-toe. If you follow simple steps like this story, even if you go wrong, you'll be able to figure out where did you go wrong. If you write this question and write this answer, you would not know how did you travel from here to here. Okay? So get into the habit of writing the steps. Okay? That's very important. Now let's do the second one. Again, some of you said it's 9 by 18, 24 by 18, whatever, 18 by 28. But I don't know what exactly it is. The question is 22 into 81 by 63 into 44. First thing I will do is, let me break it down. 22 I can write as 11 into 2. I'll keep in a bracket so that it's easy for me to remember. 81 I can write as 9 into 9. 63 is 9 into 7. 9 7 is 63. 44 is 11 into 4. Now I have written everything in the bracket. Let me break the bracket. 11 into 2 into 9 into 9 by 9 into 7 into 11 into 4. Yeah? Now I got this. Let's see what all I can do. This 9 and this 9 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 11 and this 11 I can do tic-tac-toe. Now what I got? 9 into 2 by 7 into 4. So that is how some of you got 9 to the 18 by 7 4 the 28. But I see 2 and 4. There's something matching here. So I can break it further. 9 into 2 divided by 7 and 4 I can break as 2 into 2. I have one more opportunity for doing tic-tac-toe. Knock off these two also. What do I get now? 9 by 7 into 2. That is 9 by 7 times 2 is 14. This is our answer. Even if you got 18 by 28, that was also the correct answer. There is nothing wrong with that. But it was not fully simplified. Yeah? Everybody with me? Jaganya, can you try saying something? Let me see if I can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can hear you now. Okay, good. So because when you joined last time, you were muted. This time you are fine. So did everybody understand this? Everybody? Nihan? You with me? Is this fun? Now you, yeah.
For the first question, I got 2 by 4, so it's
Same thing. See, if you got 2 by 4, I did not say that is incorrect. 2 by 4 is also fine. But you know that 4 comes in the table of 2. So by seeing the numbers, you see an opportunity. You'll say, okay, can I write this as 2 into 1 and 4 as 2 into 2? Play it one more time. Playing is fun. Yeah? So, now, when we are doing this simplification, this looks a kid's play. And that is what I want it to be. But then, this has a lot of bearing with, when you're saying you want to do multiplication, let's do a little bit of multiplication now. If I say 4 by 19 into 2 by 16 into 38, not 19, let me pick another number because you guys don't know table of 19. 21 by 64 into 3 by 15 into 20 by 16. Now this looks like a very scary problem, right? There are so many multiplications we have to do. 5 multiplication, that too multiplication of fractions. Correct?
yes.
Do you think you can do it? You can try it, Nihan. Now, this is easy peasy, trust me. Whatever we have done just now, this is just an extension of that. Now look at this. If I have something like this, everything is a fraction, okay? I will just write it down. Whatever I have here, 4 into 2 into 21 into 3 into 20 divided by 14 into 16 into 64 into 15 into 16. Okay? This is what we have. Now you can do tic-tac-toe. See, you wanted to do multiplication. I am teaching you fraction multiplication. That too in a playful way. Enjoy the game. I want you guys to solve this. Everybody. So Nihit and Yug, I want to see the right answer this time. Do it very carefully, okay? And I'm reading the question for you guys. 4 by 14 multiplied by 2 by 16 multiplied by 21 by 64 multiplied by 3 by 15 multiplied by 20 by 16. I hope everybody has got the numbers right. Yug, apart from flipping pages, I would want you to do the sum. This much space is enough, beta. Do it here. Do it quickly, okay?
Which one? Okay.
That means you're not in the class. Yes, Yanvi.
I got like 232
Okay.
by 164.
Okay, this is one answer you got. Since everybody else is still doing it, I would suggest you try reviewing it and see if you have an opportunity for further simplifying it. Yeah, Ishan.
And I got a different answer too.
Okay.
I got 2 answers.
What is the second answer? Yeah, Ishan.
I got 230 by 160.
100?
By 160.
160?
Yeah.
Okay.
My second answer is 1.
Yeah.
No, the other one.
This is 2.
No, the other 21 down there.
Wait.
Yeah, that one. Is that 21?
So this is coming from here to here. That's it. Same 21.
So that's still the 21, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yes, Halni.
So mine is 3 divided by 1,024.
1024. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
Yeah, Jaganya.
second answer.
What is your answer, Jaganya?
I got same as Shalini said.
3 by 1024. Okay. How about your? Yep. Yes.
Sin, I have a different answer. I have another answer.
What is that?
22,320 by 166,41516.
This big number. Okay. Let's see what Aditi has to say. Yeah, Aditi.
I got the same answer as Shalini too.
And that is? That is how much? I'm not looking at Salini's number. I want to hear your number. Yeah.
I'm still working on it.
Oh, okay. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, you got something? Hey, you guys don't know how to play. You're not playing well. Yeah. Anybody else ready? 3 by 1024, okay. So which answer of yours, Sriyanvi, I should pick? 232 by 164 or 222, 3 to 20 by this?
Either one.
No. You have only one option to give. So in the exam, you will be given 4 multiple choice answer, and you have to pick one. You cannot pick 2.
1 second, let me choose.
Yeah. Now basically, when I'm asking that question, my intention is to make you do review of your answer, and then let me know which one you think is the correct answer.
Number 2.
Number 2, this one. Okay. All right. So, Sriyanvi, my approach would be, if I see this number, I will not go for it. The reason being, it is too big a number to deal with. Our main objective is to make them smaller, simpler, cuter, right? So this is not cute by any chance, okay? I want it to be as cute as your younger brother.
Then I'll choose the second one.
First one?
Yeah.
Okay. You have a younger brother, right? He was on the screen just now?
No, that's my little sister.
Little sister, okay. So I want your answer to be as cute as your little sister, okay? Okay. Alright. You got? Yeah, Tasvik, how much did you get? Still working on it?
I got this.
Okay, 3 by this. Okay, do it. Let's see how much it is. Okay. Nehan, are you close to being done?
Yeah.
How much it is? Okay, you're still doing it? Okay, finish it. Nate, where are you? How far are you from being ready? Is this right? Which one you are doing? Where are you? This one you are doing? Okay, I was seeing this one. But what have you done after that?
I'm still simplifying.
No, so do it quickly, beta. I think you're not making good use of your time. You have to do it a little fast. Yeah, Aditi.
3 divided by 784.
3 divided by 784. Okay. See. So when I asked you, right? When you said same as Salmi, I wanted to hear your answer. That's why I asked you to tell me that. Okay. Because what happens is, when you complete it, and then you will know what you have done, where you could go wrong. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Sami.
So I completely simplified my answer, so I got 1 by 10.
1 by 10. That is way too cute. Let's see how cute that is. 1 by 10. If this is the answer, I would love that, because this is exactly what is supposed to be the end result. But let's see if this is the answer, okay? I would still not trust any of you, trust me. Okay.
3 by 996.
3 by 996. See, there are so many answers. I'm getting more confused now. Nate, anywhere close to being done?
Almost.
Almost? Okay. So for all of you who have finished it, okay, what is the takeaway from this class so far? We have not learned anything fancy, complicated or difficult, okay? It is just one key concept of math which says that when you are doing math, always look for finding ways to simplify it. If you simplify it, then dealing with that becomes much easier. if you keep it big, bulky, it doesn't help you solve it. Okay? Yeah? So Nihan, what is the answer?
I'm so close.
Okay?
So far I got 37 and a half.
37 and a half. So are you trying to convert that to decimal?
Yeah.
No, I mean you don't have to put that effort for converting to decimal. Decimal part we can look at later also. If you can still get closest to the smallest fraction part, that should be enough. Okay? Fraction to decimal conversion, yeah, tell me.
I got 17 out of, 1 sec.
What time is it?
We have 5 more minutes. So you are happy about class being over, but see, you should be more happy when you finish your work also. Hi Sagnika, you are 5 minutes early for the class. I'm still with the younger ones. Let me finish this class, then we'll start your class, okay?
Okay.
So you should be happy when you finish your work. You should not be happy that class got over. Because you don't come here for finishing the class, you come here for learning something. Yeah? So Vivan, you are 5 minutes early for the class. Just hang in there. We'll finish the class for the younger ones, then we'll start your class. Okay? Yes, Yanvi.
May I change my answer?
Yes, please.
4 by 6, 8, 7, 5.
4 by 6, 8, 7, 5. See, you guys have given me so many answers that I'm totally confused. Okay, let's see. That's the yeah. Nihan.
17 out of 896.
See, the answers are so diverse. All the answers are so very diverse, right? All different, unique answers. Yes.
Sir, you can change the answer that I had before.
What is that now?
I changed my answer. You can change the answer that I had.
Yeah, that I changed. So, but see, the problem is, I haven't got one answer. So I don't know whom to trust. Right? So what I will do is, since I am so very confused now, I will try solving it myself. Okay? So all the kids for level 2, you guys have to just bear with me for 5 more minutes. We'll just finish up this class and then we'll start your class, okay? Yeah? Alright. So see this. When I have a fraction like this, multiplication of fraction like this, first thing I will do is, I will put them in a simple form. 4 into 2 into 21 into 3 into 20 divided by 14 into 16 into 64 into 15 into 16. Now, I am not putting bracket here just so that I can do it faster. 4 is small number, I will leave it like that. 2 is small number, I will leave it like that. 21 I have to write this as 7 into 3. 3 I can write as 3. 20 I can write as 4 into 4. 4 into 5. Now 14 is 7 into 2. 16 I can write as 4 into 2. 4 into 4. 64 I can write as 8 into 8. 15 I can write as 5 into 3. And this 16 I can write as 4 into 4. Now let's see. This 4 I can knock it off. Tic-tac-toe. This 7 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 2 and this 2 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 3 and this 3 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 5 and this 5 I can do tic-tac-toe. This 4 and this 4 I can do tic-tac-toe. What is that I'm left with? What I'm left with is 3 divided by this 3 divided by 4 into 8 into 8 into 4. 4 into 8 into 8 into 4. That becomes 3 divided by 4 4 is 16 multiplied by 8 is 64. This becomes 3 divided by 16 4 is 64. 66 is 96 plus 6.
Start on level.
16 4 of 64, 6, 202. 3 by 2024. Okay?
2024.
Yeah.
Which is the year.
Yeah. So basically, again, if I made a mistake here, you can verify it and correct it. But the approach remains the same. You have numbers to multiply, put them in a simple form, factorize them, and then play with them. Do the tic-tac-toe. Whenever you have a bigger number, always look at factorizing them, breaking them into smaller numbers, and then play with them. Just be careful, okay? When you are knocking off one number for a number. Don't knock off the number on the same floor. Don't knock off the number more than one times. Okay? That's the only care you have to take. And then once you have this thing, you multiply it and you get the answer. So this is all about factorization, simplification, multiplication of fractions, whatever you call it. That's what we did. I hope you guys played enough, had fun with maths, and we'll meet again next Saturday.